If you have ever thought about becoming a content creator, working with brands, getting paid for UGC, doing affiliate marketing, or selling digital products, this video is going to save you 6 months of confusion because I am breaking down 8 steps to start today. And I'm not holding anything back, no fluff, no gatekeeping, just what actually works. And a lot of people overcomplicate this. They spend months researching, buying equipment, building the perfect setup, and never actually post anything. So by the end of this video, you will have 0 excuses. Now, before we dive in, comment Kickstart below. I have a free 30-day content creator Kickstart plan that helps you build an audience, create content with purpose, and turn your knowledge into revenue. And it's completely free. So comment Kickstart and I will send it your way. Now, let's get into it. Step 1 is to start with what you enjoy, love, or could develop a passion for. This sounds obvious, but most people actually skip it. They chase whatever niche seems to be making the most money right now, whether that's finance, tech, real estate, and 6 weeks in, they are burned out because they never actually care about the topic. And here's the truth. You are going to be talking about the subject constantly on camera, in captions, in emails. If it doesn't genuinely interest you, it will show. Now, what if you have more than one idea? Talk about all of them, seriously. Don't filter yourself in the beginning. Put in the reps and your audience will tell you which direction to go. The comments, the saves, the shares, that's your data. Trust the process. Your audience knows before you do. Your passion is your starting point. Step number 2 is do not try to be everywhere at once. I see this all the time. Someone starts creating and immediately tries to post on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Pinterest, and LinkedIn all at the same time. And within a month, they are exhausted, their content quality drops, and they quit. So pick one platform and go all in. Learn how the algorithm works, understand what your audience responds to, study the format, master it completely before you even think about expanding. Now, Instagram is incredible for building real community and genuine connection. But whatever platform you choose, commit to it fully. The creators who grow fast are not the ones posting everywhere. They're the ones who become the go-to person on one platform first. So one platform, all of your energy, and you will get real results. Step 3, and I need you to really hear this, you do not need fancy gear. This is the number one excuse I hear. I will start when I get a better camera. I will start when I can afford a ring light. I will start when my setup looks more professional. Stop. Here's everything you actually need to start right now. A phone, a tripod, a mini mic for audio, and a window for natural light. That's it, seriously. Some of the most viral content ever created was filmed on a phone in a car. What matters is your message, your energy, and your consistency, not your equipment. Now, once you start making money, absolutely invest in better gear. But right now, your phone is enough. The gear does not make the creator, you do. Step number 4 is be willing to do the reps. Your first 10 videos are probably not going to be great, and that is completely okay. In the beginning, your only job is to post. Focus on quantity over perfection. And here's why every piece of content you create is data. The more you post, the more you learn. You will start to see these patterns. This type of hook gets more views, or this format gets more saves, or this topic gets more comments. You cannot get that data without posting, and you cannot improve without that data. So nobody starts out good. Every creator you admire today started awkward, including myself, stiff and unsure of themselves. The difference between them and everyone else that kept going anyways. More reps equals more data, more growth. Commit to showing up even when it feels uncomfortable. Step 5, and this might be the most important step in this entire video. Ask yourself, do you actually love the process of creating content? Not the followers, not the brand deals, not the money, the actual process of filming, editing, writing captions, engaging with your audience. Do you love that? Because here's the reality, content creation requires consistency, and consistency requires genuine enjoyment. If you dread sitting down to film, that energy will show on camera. Audiences feel it. Now, if content creation doesn't light you up, I'm here to say that's okay. There are other incredible paths in entrepreneurship. Not everyone needs to be a creator. But if it does light you up, there's nothing more powerful than a creator who genuinely loves what they do. That energy is magnetic. People will keep coming back just because of how you make them feel. You cannot fake passion, and you should not have to. Step number 6 is to dissect and analyze other creators in your space. Market research is not optional, it is essential. And this is not about copying anyone. This is about learning. Find 3 to 5 creators in your niche who are growing. Study them. Ask yourself these questions. What hooks are they using to open their videos? What formats are performing best? What are people commenting and asking for? What content is going viral and why? And how are they monetizing? This research will save you months of trial and error. You're not starting from zero. You are starting from data. And the best creators are students of their own craft first. They never stop learning, never stop analyzing, never stop improving. Study the game before you play it. Step 7, start your email list on day 1. Not when you hit 1,000 followers, not when you feel ready, day 1. And here's why this matters so much. Every platform you build on, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, you are building on rented land. Algorithms change, accounts get banned, platforms disappear, and it has happened before and it will happen again. Now, your email list is the one thing that you completely own. Nobody could take it away from you. Start simple, offer like a free resource in exchange for someone's email address, like a checklist, a guide, a template, something that solves a specific problem for your audience. Build it slowly and consistently. Even if you only add 10 people a month, that list will become your most valuable business asset over time. Your email list is your safety net and your superpower. Step number 8, and this is the whole game. Give value before you ever ask for anything. Before you sell a product, before you pitch a brand deal, before you promote anything, give everything. Educate your audience, inspire them, entertain them, make them feel and understood. The creators who win long term are the ones who outgive the competition. And here's how it works. Value builds trust, trust builds community, community buys from you. The more you give without expecting anything in return, the more you will receive. And this is not just a content strategy. It is a philosophy. I'll give everyone, outlast everyone. So there you have it. 8 steps to become a content creator starting today. Start with your passion, master one platform, use your phone, do the reps, love the process, study other creators and build your email list and give massive value. Now, if you want the full roadmap, come and kickstart below. I will send you again my free 30-day content creator kickstart plan. It's built to help you build an audience, create content with purpose, and turn your knowledge into revenue completely free. Come and kickstart below. Now, if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this, and I will see you in the next one.